Thank you for tuning into Papier. Happy to have you here. I'm Jay Peak, the repurposed paper introverted fanatic. I have boxes, I have containers. Many shapes and sizes. I think these were originally liquor or spirit boxes. Not something I would buy. It's probably out of my budget anyway. But gifting is humbly accepted. Insert big smiley face here. In your head. Some boxes can be used as desk or drawer organizers. Use both the box and lid for additional storage. Come on, think outside the box. Did I just say that? Some boxes are hand-woven. These are also heavily coated multiple times with a water-resistant polyacrylic sealant. So they make great decorative pots for plants. Word of caution though, the sealing does not give you the allowance to plant your babies directly into the boxes. Place them in with the original pot. That way you can take them out for watering and draining. A little water won't hurt, but don't sing Cry Me a River anywhere near them. I have a tendency to call these containers, but there's likely a better description. What would you call them? Some of these are straight up collaged. I've got paint cans, canned goods, coffee cans, and whatever else. Some of them are the rolled paper variety. Some are filled with rolls inside and out. Some are also collaged inside the container. I turn these coffee cans into canisters. With a chalkboard and label adhered to the front, all you have to do is label it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, that's it for boxes and canisters. Next up is, well, everything else. Let's call it my miscellaneous whatevers. Until next time, paper it up, Jack.